This quick how-to video is how to change a light bulb in a Chrysler 200. This particular model is a 2015, which I believe is the same for several years down and several years up. Let me show you how it's done real quick. Flip the camera around. Had to get these out. Put a radiator in this vehicle. There's a longer video of the radiator replacement, but there's a cover plate. It helps to have the vehicle off the ground because it gives a little more room. And I used a wide flat blade screwdriver that's sort of stubby, and took the there's a little plastic turnbuckle screw bolt thing that's got a flat blade end on it, and you can take the cover off. You turn it counterclockwise, you turn the bulb counterclockwise. There's enough pigtail to come out of there. You unplug the bulb, you carefully handle the bulb without touching it, that's recommended, and then you put the bulb back in the plug-in, you put it back in the hole, you tighten it clockwise, and clockwise is with your left hand, it's going to be opposite, but anyhow, then you put your little cover back up, and I'll show you what the little thing looks like. This is the cover plate right here for the headlight. There's the plastic little flat blade thing. I just used a wide flathead screwdriver that was stubby and was able to remove that. Thank you for watching the quick how-to video. Chrysler 200 headlight replacement how-to. Hit the like, subscribe, and share. I'm out.